Okay guys, let's get started. Aeroplane wing. 1, 2, together the hands, crossbody lead with a full turn. 6, 7, push down the left lady's hand and let it go. 1, 2, 3, catch. And here's the wink off the blade. 6, 7. You were almost finished in front of the lady. Lift up the right, lower the left hand, enter on 1, 2, progress down, push forward on 5, 6, 7. It looks a little bit complicated, but it's not. Follow me up here. Switch, 2, 3, 5 on the shoulder, 6 back, 7 she turns, back on 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Flip music. And if you like 50 more combinations like this, check the description.